Okay, we spent one night in Punta Canejo. It was gorgeous off the cliffs and stuff. Back down the dirt road, got back on the one, went all the way up the one, all the way up here. We had a huge driving day today. Stopped here at the Lay's, got stocked up on our groceries, came here, crossed over, and let me flip over the cat. We flipped it over. We stopped for groceries at the Lay's, and then we headed on up to the one. So this was a really big driving day for us. Then we came up here and we went back to Juncalito Beach. We stayed there before. Well, this road was, I don't know what class?
2 or 3.
2 or 3, but there's some couple of hills and then like this ledge that you have to go across. And we saw that reflection in Imogen go across it. The Imogen's a bumper pull and the Solitude.
It's a reflection.
A reflection. And the reflection was towing an ATV.
Trailer.
So it was actually triple towing. So you think you're adventurous and then you see that. And we saw all campers back there. And no EVs. So it was kind of funny. Makes you go, Anyway. Yeah, I always see anything in Mexico. As you go along the highway, there's a lot of shrines, but this one is the biggest one I've seen yet. It's really big and decorated. They've got it all done up really pretty. There's a little cafe next door too. The candles are still burning. Oh, and there's a little puppy. Hi, baby. How are you? How are you? Oh, you're a good puppy, yeah. Here's this cafe by here, and he sells the candles and chips and stuff. So when you come by here, make sure and get your snacks and stuff. ¿Cómo se llama? Your name?
Santiago.
Santiago? Okay.
Mendoza.
Mucho gusto. And there's a little puppy dog. He's so cute. Alright, we're off and running now. We bought our first junk food since we've been to Mexico, but I didn't mind giving the guy some business. He was really nice. Well, we're gonna stop at the Lay's here. They had good prices on the way down, so we're gonna stop here and get our freezer stocked up again. Get some water and maybe a couple of beers. So, okay, you're on.
All right, we're in Ciudad Constitucion. Going to get some groceries. Super light, including cerveza.
They got corn, oranges, honey. Yes, one of our favorite beaches. It'll be nice to come back here for a little bit and relax.
So as our stalker is up here.
Yeah. We'll have to tell you that story sometime later. You ready to stop, Mark?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll be excited to relax, have a few brewskis, and hopefully not too many people here. beach puppy? You little beach puppy? Huh? Yeah? Did you find a crab? Is that yummy stuff? You relax now.
Tough drive.
Oh, I know. This is our view.
Probably what? 150 miles, but they're hard miles.
Yeah. Well, 10 miles, it took an hour.
Yeah.
It was tough.
That golden retriever down there keeps dying to get out. That must be his people.
Just relaxing.
Chillaxing.
Chillaxing.
Yeah.
Living the dream.
Living the dream.
Living the dream.
What day of the week is it?
I don't know. It's St. Patty's Day yesterday, that's all I know. This is where we saw the
Jumping dolphins.
jumping dolphins.
Spinner dolphins.
Spinner dolphins. We're both in it now. Maybe we'll see some spinner dolphins tonight.
Yeah, hopefully.
That'll be nice. Relaxing.
Nice cool breeze.
Yep.
Sun is warm.
As soon as that dog leaves, we'll take the kitties on the beach and see how they do. Hi, Jake. What are you doing? What are you doing? You never meow. Jasmine always meows. You want to come outside? You want to come outside? We'll put your harness on. Would you like that? You want to come outside? Jake.
Jakey.
Hey, Jake.
Jake.